I have a Sony ZV1 camera, and I was looking for a bag or an appropriate enclosure. I found only general-purpose bags and quite expensive, so I decided to make my own 3D printed enclosure, tailor-made for this specific type of camera. Hello my friends, this is 3D Shamrock Channel, and my name is Florin. I designed first only half of enclosure to see if the sizes are okay. In fact, I made several parts like this and I modified them until the sizes and tolerances were okay. Then I designed and printed a bigger enclosure not only for the camera but also for the charger, extra battery, and cables. But after printing it, I noticed that it was too bulky and I decided to redesign a smaller one. I designed all in SolidWorks for makers, and I choose for the main body as material TPU 95A and PLA for the frames. My Bamboo Lab A1 made a very good job printing the TPU, and the PLA parts were printed on my Bamboo PS1 combo. The TPU parts are shiny. The only flaw is some fine stringing, which I easily removed with a lighter flame. I used glue to fix the frames, the red parts, to the main body and cover, and I used M3 bolts and nuts for assembling. The hinges and lock are also made out of TPU. Finally, I fitted also a black strap to be able to carry at ease the camera bag. This is the final product. If you like my little video, please like, share, and subscribe. Happy 3D printing, friends!